Yeah. Oh man. Alright. Let's recap. Alright, when we see we're gonna solve some algebraic fractional equations. So we have to look at which of the denominator is the bigger one as a recap from the previous video. So we multiply by 4. Why do I multiply by 4 on the right hand side? Because this one is a bigger denominator. Alright, so this one we need to multiply by 4 as well. Okay, so when you multiply by 4, I cancel here, I'll be left with here 2. Here's the problem. This one multiplied by 4. This entire algebraic expression needs to be multiplied by 4. There's two ways you can go about doing it. But to play safe, I'm going to put a bracket. Because anything that involves algebra, I need to handle it very, very carefully. So I'm going to rewrite that again. 2x plus 1 bracket. I'm going to multiply everything here by 4. So I'm going to put a 4 in front of here. Alright? Which means that number here needs to communicate with this and needs to communicate with this. Alright, there's a common error whereby you just take 4 times 2x and you forget to multiply this as well. Okay, you can do the tic-tac-toe method if you want. So the tic-tac-toe method looks like this. So, sorry, the tic-tac-toe method looks something like this. So this is 4, this is 2x plus 1. So 4 times 2 is 8x, 4 times 1 is positive 4. You'll get 8x plus 4. Alright, similarly, if you do the rainbow method, which is I'm about to show you, 4 times 2x is 8x, 4 times 1 is plus 4. Still get the same answer regardless, equal to 2. Okay, so again, 2 is a whole number, it's always over 1. Which one is the bigger denominator? 3. So I multiply by 3 on both sides. So I multiply by 3 on both sides. And I will get 6 here. And I'll cancel here and here. 8x is equal to 4. How do I get rid of this 4? Because I only want the algebra on the left hand side. I minus 4. So here also I minus 4. I'm going to continue on this side. Okay, so minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 is nothing. I will be left with 8x equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is already correct. 8 units of x is 2. 8 sets of unknown is 2. So one set is divided by 8. So 2 divided by 8, you press on the calculator, you get 1/4. Alright. So this is the first method. Okay, some of you guys may be asking me, hey, I think I know a better or faster method. Yes, there is a faster method. The cross product means you take whatever here, you times here, and then you take whatever here, and you times here. Alright, what I mean is, whatever at the top here, you multiply by 4. Whatever at the right top, there's one, multiply. So you get something like this. So 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times blah 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 is again 4, 2x plus 1. We both know that when we do this, when we communicate, you'll get a nicer number, which is 8x plus 4. Okay, I only want the algebra on the left hand side, so I minus 4 here, I minus 4. Hey, wait a sec, now everything looks very familiar. I felt as if we've done this before. Okay, 8 units of unknown is 2, so how do I find one unknown unit? I divide by 8 and I'll get 1/4. Same method. So it's just a matter of preference, but I prefer the first method because the first method is doing things slowly one by one. We are humans, we make mistakes, so gradually when we do things, we tend to do things fast, especially this fast method here. But I would recommend for you guys to do slowly this way. Even if you get wrong somewhere at the end, if you show proper process thoughts and working here, you will still be awarded marks. Alright, so now we have another one. Alright, we need to solve this bunch of numbers. Oops, okay, I forgot to add this. We need to solve this. So unlike the previous one where there's only one fraction, we have double fraction action going on. What's the difference between this whole thing and this whole thing? If you notice that, if you observe closely, This one is addition. This one is subtraction. Okay, so we need to unify them into one fraction, ideally into only over 5. So how do we do that? Is we need to get them together. By doing that, we need to take note of the sign here. Okay, so this positive times x, positive times negative x. A good practice is you might want to group them to cards. Okay, so I just, because this at the front of this is positive, so it becomes itself, so x plus 2. So positive times x is positive x, positive times negative 7 is negative 7 equal to 3. I need to simplify everything here. It looks so messy. So x family will talk to the x family. So positive x and positive x will give you 2x. 2 minus 7 will give you negative 5 over 5 equal to 3. Now we're back. Alright, I'm going to put this over 1 here. The bigger denominator is here. So I multiply by 5, multiply by 5. I will have 15 here. I will just get 2x minus 5. Okay, guess what? I do not want number here. So what do? I get rid of a number. I plus 5. Here I plus 5. Okay, I'm gonna, as usual, borrow some space on the right. I'll be left with 5 minus 5 is nothing. So 2x equal to 20 because 15 plus 5. Right, so x is equal to 10. Okay,